Shh. Hear that? That's the sound of your instincts trying to get a word in. In a world that's always shouting, the quiet voice inside you is easy to ignore. But that voice, your gut, is one of your greatest tools. Your instincts are built from years of lessons you don't even remember learning. Little patterns your brain picks up, emotional intelligence you've earned the hard way. And yet, most of us doubt it. We overthink. We ask 10 people for opinions. We scroll. We stall. Think about a time you ignored your gut and paid for it. The deal that felt off. The relationship with red flags. The opportunity you hesitated on. I've been there. And every time I look back, my gut was trying to protect me. So how do you strengthen that inner compass? First, quiet the noise. Give yourself 5 minutes a day, eyes closed, deep breaths. Ask, what do I truly feel about this? Then listen. Second, reflect. When did trusting yourself work out? What did that yes or that no feel like in your body? Third, learn the language. Instincts speak through feelings. Lightness, heaviness, excitement, unease. If something feels off, it usually is. If it sparks you, explore it. Fourth, start small. Choose the meal you actually want. Say yes or no without explaining. Try the idea that keeps tugging at you. Each small decision builds trust. Real story. Early in her career, Oprah Winfrey could have taken a prestigious news co-anchor job. On paper, perfect. Inside, wrong fit. She trusted that feeling, said no, and chose a path that let her connect deeply. That instinct led to The Oprah Winfrey Show and a legacy. Here's the takeaway. Your instincts aren't random. They're wisdom in real time. Quiet the noise. Feel the pull. Trust yourself.